Now, we also have a sentence completion. Siyempre, sino bang hindi nakakaalam ng sentence completions? Anyone kung sino hindi nakakaalam yan? Okay, wala. So, ano nga ba ang sentence completion? Sige nga, isa sa inyo, magsabi kayo kung ano nga ba ang sentence completions. Anyone? Okay, thank you very much. So, ang sentence completion daw kasi is para siyang enumeration. Sa enumeration, di ba, kailangan i-fill in the blank natin siya. Like, kunyari, wait, sorry. Like, example, I like mathematics because it is, or kaya, I like mathematics because, then slash, i-complete mo yung sentence. Bakit nga ba gusto natin ang mathematics? So, that was the first example. While also, we have another example which is, kung ano ba yung nadi-disturb ng feelings natin. Kunyari, what, wait. If you become a Superman, what are you going to do? Like that. So, parang i-complete natin yung sentence para mabuo siya. So, malalaman natin if yung mga, So, kapag nabuo na natin, syempre malalaman na natin yung sentence kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito. So, ayun ang gagawin ng students by later. So, thank you.